Hey dolls, so I am back. So this is going to be a Chanel handbag collection video. I'm not going to be showing any wallets or any shoes or anything like that in this video. It's just going to be handbags only. So if y'all want to see my full Chanel collection, then keep on watching. Okay dolls, so I'm just going to start off with this larger Chanel bag. I'll start with the larger ones first, and then we'll move into categories and do like vanities, boy bags, double flaps, stuff like that. Okay, so this first one is a Chanel Gabrielle Bag, I believe is what it's called. I haven't used this one in quite a while. So this is how it looks. It's kind of a little bent, but y'all know. So this is how it looks, and this one has the silver studding on it, and it says Chanel Paris with the CC logo. And then it also does have the chain strap, so you can wear it as a shoulder bag, or you can also carry it as a top handle. The back is just plain. Mine's is kind of folded up because it has been stored, but I probably need to take it out of where I've been storing it at and leave it out so that it's not all bent in. This one is really nice. You have a lot of space on the inside, 2 pockets and everything like that. And this is a good summer bag, or also like if you have a baby or something and you just need a couple of things, you could probably grab this bag and get away with bringing your items. Then this next larger Chanel item is the Chanel extra large flap bag. This is the black caviar leather, I believe, and it's black and quilted, and it's just really pretty and huge. So this is like the larger size of like the, it looks like a double flap bag or just like a flat bag, but this is how it looks, and it's really good for like traveling and stuff like that. You can sit it on your suitcase and pull it around the airport and then bring this as your carry-on on the plane. But I actually got this to use for like overnights, or even sometimes like maybe if I'm gonna go on the plane, and also as a diaper bag. So actually right now on the inside is my baby's items, because I did recently use this as an actual diaper bag. So yeah, that was my first time using it. It is pretty heavy and big, so I don't know if I prefer it for a diaper bag, but it definitely makes a statement, if you will. So this one is really cute. These are some of my Chanel double flaps, okay? They are a little dusty from sitting there. So I have the So Black double flap, I believe that's what it's called, but it basically has the black on black hardware, like the bag is all black and then the hardware is black as well. And this one is quilted in the chevron type of pattern. And then, yeah, so it just opens up, and then you will see it has this flap, and then you would open it again. So that's why it is a double flap. And I just have mine stuffed with some paper and stuff like that. It's a zipper back here, and then a pocket here in the front. And also a pocket on the back. I'm probably not going to go through that with each bag because it's probably going to take too long. But yeah, this is this bag, and this one is really chic. You can wear it, you know, with one chain and do like a crossbody moment, or you can double it up and just wear it on the shoulder. I don't even know if I've ever worn this bag out. I think I maybe wore it out like one time, but yeah, I really like that one. It's real cute. And then this was one of my actual first Chanel pieces. So this one is a double flap as well, and it just looks like this. And this one is just like the regular quilted pattern, and it has the silver hardware on it. As y'all know, I love silver, so most of my bags will have silver hardware, except for some that only come in gold and stuff. So yeah, this is the straps on this one. So I have the black and silver, and then there's a pocket on the back, and this one is a double flap as well. Sometimes you can find these, you know, where they will just have the one flap, but I do like having the 2 flaps. And these are just really classic, but these are a larger size. Both of these are like the 30 size. And then I also have some, or I think this might be the only one that's in the 25 size, I believe it is. So this is a pink one. You can see the difference in size. I like this one more if I'm gonna wear it like crossbody and stuff, but if I just want to wear it like a regular shoulder bag, then the bigger size is cool. It just depends, but a lot of times this size works great for me because I can fit everything that I need. So I have this really pretty hot pink one, and it has the silver hardware as well, and this is just a really cute Barbie bag, and I've worn this one a lot. Like, This is one of my favorites. Before we get into the boy bags, I have this one as well. And this one is like the double flap, but it's just a single flap. So it kind of has like the same shape as this one. But obviously this one is a lot puffier because it does have fur on it. And I got this in this really pretty baby blue color. Super cute. This one does come in other colors as well. They all do. You know, it's just like the candy and rainbow vibe. So yeah, so this is this one, and this one has gold hardware. This one doesn't come in silver hardware, I don't believe, or else I would have gotten silver. But it looks really pretty with the blue and the gold. And this one actually still does have a pocket on the back and everything. And also on the inside, this part is leather, and then on the sides is leather as well around and underneath. So you just have the fur like on the front and back and everything. So yeah, this one is real cute. And like I said, it comes in other colors. I've only worn that one time, I know for sure. Okay, so now I'm going to get into my boy bags. So for boy bags, I do have quite a bit of colors of these. So I have this white one, and to my surprise, I've worn this one a lot. Like, I really love wearing this white one. It just gives a really crisp vibe, especially like with my white sneakers or like my Chanel jellies. It looks really good with those as well, the white ones. So this is a boy bag. This is the shape of a boy bag. And then just for comparison, this is a double flap and a smaller size. So you can kind of see it's similar sizes, but a different vibe. And then this is the side, the back. And yeah, so the boy bag to me is more young and fresh. The double flap is a little bit more sophisticated, if you will. So this one is real cute as well. You could wear it as a one shoulder. You could do it crossbody. So I really like these bags as well because they're very versatile. So I have the whites with the ruthenium type hardware. And then I also have it in this really pretty light pink color, and this one has the really bright silver hardware. I really love this silver color. If you could see the difference, this one is more like a brassy silver. This one is called ruthenium, and this one is silver. So really pretty. I love the silver because it just really pops. Also here as well, it just really pops out. So this one is really cute. I've worn that one a few times. I really like the color. Super girly. And then I also have those bags here as well. So here we have the red one and also the blue one as well. And these are all the same size, but these bags go with so much stuff. It's nothing wrong with having multiple colors. So I have the red and the blue. And then what else? I think those are it for the boy bags. Okay, so I actually do have the vertical boy bag as well, which is different. So let me just grab that. The vertical boy bags are shaped like this. So as you can see, it goes down vertically, whereas with these, it is horizontal. So it's kind of the same if you were to turn it like this. I'm trying to do it with my hands, but you know what I'm saying? Like if you turned it the other way, it's kind of similar, but a little bit different. Obviously, more flat and everything like that. And I do like these bags a lot because they're really good, especially like if you're going out or something like that, or even just for day to day. So you can wear it on the shoulder. You can double it up like this, or you can pull it down and you could wear it longer on your shoulder, or you could do a crossbody moment. So I really like these. And this one is a metallic silver. I love this one. I've worn the heck out of it because I love silver and I wear silver jewelry so much. So this is one of my absolute favorites. And this was the first one of the vertical boy bags that I had. I probably will add some other colors eventually because I really do love this shape of bag. And then I also had picked it up in this white color. And it does have the gold hardware on it. So it's different from my other white because that one has more of the silver hardware. So I kind of have both moments, if you will. Okay. Also have this bag as well. I feel like this one is kind of a vanity, but I'm not really sure what it's called. I think this one is a camera bag actually. So this one looks like this and it's super cute. It has like a pocket on the front and then it zips here, and that's where all of your stuff goes. This is the back, so you can carry it as a handbag or you can carry it on your shoulder, or you can do a crossbody moment. Most of the time, sometimes I will wear it on my shoulder, but most of the time I will just kind of twist it and just hold it like this. Like, this is just so cute. And I love this big piece that comes on here. Like, it's just so pretty, and it's really heavy and just bomb. So yeah, this bag comes in red, and I believe maybe another color, I'm not sure, but I got the black one and I really love this bag. I've worn that one quite a lot also. Okay, so sticking with vanity type bags, I have this one here, which is silver. This was the last vanity, I believe, that I picked up. So I have this silver one here. It is more of a softer silver. It's not like this one that is metallic, so totally different. So this one is a little bit more casual, but I will wear this one casually as well with just sandals and like a sundress or whatever, or jeans or whatever the case may be. But this one is even more casual, so it really goes more so with everything, and sneakers and everything like that. So I have this silver one, and I just love vanity cases because they're just so cute. So I have the silver one, and I like that the silver one has the silver hardware on it. It would have been ugly if they did silver with gold, like ew. And then I also have the vanity case in nude. So this is the nude one. I actually don't have a nude boy bag or double flap. I have this nude one, and then I have another one that I'll show you in a little bit, but this one is really cute. I've worn this one quite a bit as well, and it has like a soft gold hardware, really cute. And I like to wear these once again like this, and most of the time I will just wrap the chain around like that, so it's not like just hanging down. So it'll be kind of like that. And then sometimes I will wear it on the shoulder, and I've also worn these crossbody as well. And they can be dressed up or dressed down. These are really versatile. Some people may feel like they are super, super dressy, but I really love the vanity cases. And then I also have this yellow one. I've actually never worn this one, but I definitely want to get some wear out of it this summer. So this is how it looks, and this one does have gold hardware. I feel like they definitely should have did this with silver because it would have popped out more. The gold is very similar to the color of the bag, and maybe that's the vibe they were going for. But this will be real cute, especially like with something denim, like a denim dress or something like that. I feel like will really pop with this bag. So this is the bag here. It's a really pretty yellow color, kind of unique. And then I also have the bag in black, of course. Here is the black one. So the black one has gold hardware on it as well. But recently did see that they do have the black with the black hardware. So your girl probably needs to pick that one up because I feel like I don't wear this one as often. Y'all know I'm a silver girl. So yeah, I don't think I've ever seen this one with silver hardware, but I did see it with the black, and it's so bomb. And it gives it like an edgy vibe. So super cute. So yeah, I'll probably pick that one up eventually, but I really like all of these, and you know, they're the same, just different colors. So those are all of those. And then I also have this vanity case as well. As you can see, this one is a different shape, and this is the denim one, and this one is really cute as well, and I've gotten quite a bit of use out of this one also. So it's just a denim vibe, and then it does have white stitching to give it that quilted kind of pattern. But then the denim is also kind of like a little puffy-ish. I don't know how to explain it, but then yeah, so it also has the leather top handle, and then also here the tabs are leather that connect the chain, but the chain actually does have denim woven through the chain, and this part here is denim as well. So this one is so cute, and you could just pair it with anything. The hardware is gold once again with the zipper and everything, but this really goes with a lot of stuff. So I have worn this one quite a bit, especially with like colorful stuff in the summer, and you just want a bag that's more neutral. That bag works out really good. So yeah, those are all of the boy bags. I'm trying to make sure that there isn't any other Chanel bags stuck up underneath there. So yeah, now I have a backpack to show y'all, and then I think just 2 more bags after this. So I also have this backpack here, and I can't think of what the name of this backpack is at the moment, but this is the Chanel backpack. So I have the black one, and this is a smaller one. I'm not sure if this is the smallest size, but it's not the big one for sure. but this one works out perfect for me. And then you have the little top handle, and you also have the straps on the back, so you can wear it as an actual backpack. There's a little pocket in the back as well. And this one is the smooth leather. I haven't been telling y'all that in, you know, for each item, but yeah, so this is the black with the silver hardware. So that one is really cute. And then lastly, I have my Chanel 19 bags. Here are my Chanel 19 bags. So I have one in black, and I also have one in nude. I don't think I have ever worn the black one at all, but I did wear the nude one maybe once or twice. So this is the black one. I actually have some shoes that go perfect with this, so I need to start getting some use out of it. It's sandals though, so you know, I'll probably wait and wear it in the summer. I like that the chain strap has multiple different colors of chain. Like you have the ruthenium, and then you have like the brushed gold and all of that. And then you also have this piece here, so you can carry it as a little top handle bag, or whenever you're wearing it as a regular chain. This is just gonna hang over the purse, and it just gives it a nice vibe. And I think these are so cute, and they're timeless. Like, it's a new style, but it kind of gives me old school vibes in a way. So this is the black one, and there is a pocket in the back as well. And then here is the nude one. Fun fact, I wore this nude one to my doctor's office. Did I wear it? I want to say I wore it or I changed it. I actually think it was this bag. Yeah, I think I switched to this bag because it was a little bit more neutral. But on the day that I went to my last doctor's appointment to check up on baby girl while she was in my tummy, that's when they told me I was gonna have to go to the hospital to get induced. So yeah, so this is the last one, and this is the 19 in the nude color. I think these are like the medium size. I'm not really sure, but yeah, these are more so like the 30 size compared to the other one. I kind of would have preferred these in a smaller size, but I don't know. I like them as this size also, just because to me they're like timeless kind of pieces. So yeah, I believe those are all of my Chanel bags. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. No, if y'all have any questions, don't leave them down below, because there will be no links in this video. This was simply just to show you guys my collection of bags. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I have accumulated as far as bags from Chanel. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.